Apple has just released iOS 18.4.1, a crucial update addressing significant bugs and security vulnerabilities. Whether you are an iPhone user or just tech curious, here is what you need to know. What's new in iOS 18.4.1? Released on April 16, 2025, iOS 18.4.1 primarily focuses on bug fixes and security enhancements. While it doesn't introduce new features, it plays a vital role in ensuring your device's stability and security. Bug fixes. One of the major issues addressed in wireless CarPlay connectivity problem that affected certain vehicles. Users reported intermittent disconnections, which this update aims to resolve. Security updates. iOS 18.4.1 patches two critical vulnerabilities. One, a flaw allowing attackers to inject malware through malicious media files. Two, an issue enabling unauthorized access to parts of the device's memory. These vulnerabilities were reportedly exploited in target attacks, emphasizing the importance of this update. Lockdown mode. For users at high risk, such as journalists or activists, Apple recommends enabling lockdown mode. This feature significantly restricts device functionalities to prevent sophisticated cyber attacks. To activate, go to Settings and then Privacy and Security and then Lockdown Mode. Then tap Turn on Lockdown Mode. Now the question, should you update? Absolutely. Even if you haven't experienced issues, updating to iOS 18.4.1 ensures your device is protected against known vulnerabilities and operates smoothly. That's a quick overview of iOS 18.4.1. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech updates. Share your updates experience in the comments below. And thank you for watching. See you in the next one.